can see this part of Randy is pretty damaged, so I'm gonna cut this out. I've got some sheet metal laying around, kind of clean up where it goes to the actual frame rail. It looks like it got hit pretty hard this way, pretty massive dent here, and I'm worried that's gonna affect basically how this tire turns, which obviously is pretty important when you're drifting. So I might kind of just bring it out this way and you know, make it as best as I can. I'm not gonna run a battery up here, so we should be good. And then also I got to remove these mounts and really get this all prepped for paint. Obviously this is an area that needs work. Some minor stuff on the firewall needs addressing, and probably take that wiper motor out right there and just get it as best as I can for some paint so I can get that motor and trans in here. Making a mess in the garage, so definitely a bit involved what I'm doing here. It's, you know, what they did was basically weld in a plate because this thing got hit really hard right here. I've been trying to kind of unload it and get everything lined up. I got this little piece lined up. I'm going to weld it before I go to bed, and then drilled some holes in here to basically sandwich that frame rail. And then I'll put a piece of steel in here that kind of makes the shape, and then come up with a way to enclose this so it's all you know, nice and kosher. So I'm going to weld this and then clean up and probably call it a night. Got the frickin' patch in there, so definitely not the prettiest thing. I kind of patched it together in pieces, but I think it's going to work. Definitely a lot stronger than it used to be, all rusted out and kind of, you know, porous in here. Looks good. So next thing that I'm probably going to work on is, you know, I'm kind of tired of doing all this work that's super dirty right now. So what I'm going to do is take off these front brakes. I basically got some 4th gen calipers for 180 bucks, so super good deal. They're right here. These basically go on here. All you have to do is obviously pull all this off and then drill the spindle. You basically take the dust guard holes and kind of bore them out. I did the same thing on my 71. I think I showed maybe in another video, but you basically bore those out, and then you get a conversion bracket, and you do have to mill the caliper a little bit, but shouldn't be too hard. And then I have there are C7 Corvette rotors, and those go on. They have the correct offset, and some conversion hubs, and then they bolt on there. So I'll get some steel braided lines, and it'll be nice to have a real good front brake setup on here. Definitely need it when you're drifting. Don't want to not have good brakes, and the back are already larger on this 4th gen diff than the front, so can't have that. So I'm gonna take all this stuff off. I'll show you what it looks like when it's off, and then probably at some point I'll circle back, put you guys on the time lapse, and really get to working on this engine bay, because it needs some paint before the motor goes in there. Making an absolute mess of the shop. So I've been working on basically getting this engine bay prepped. So ton of work, obviously, as usual. Basically removed as much as I could. I was thinking about removing the steering, but gotta draw the line somewhere. So this is basically all prepped. I got some of this front end stuff removed, and I'm gonna get to painting this. I did make those patches over there. Not gonna do anything to them, just gonna paint it, you know, drift car things. So once I get this all painted, I'll kind of show you what this looks like. And I did put up a nice barrier so this side of the shop doesn't get all dirty. And you can see I basically painted all these components. So this is the rear diff, got those dual brake caliper brackets and everything. And I do need to review the footage and see what I've showed you guys. And I did get the headers on the LS as well. So once I have this done, we can tag up. I'll show you more of what I'm working on and kind of what the plan is. Hey, thanks for stopping in at the Phantom Motorsports YouTube channel. If you like what you saw, give me a big thumbs up, and hopefully you're leaving with a bigger smile than you came in with.